how do you get into a flow state when it comes to creating content? Now, this is very important because we all have busy lives. I have a busy life. I'm sure you have a busy life, and you can't create content 24/7. So I'm going to give you guys a few tips. I'm going to make the video as quick as possible so you get the key points and you can start implementing this today. If you've not seen my last video about how to start creating content, then I definitely recommend you to click here to watch that video. But let's get into it. So when it comes to creating content, how can you do it quickly and concisely with conveying a good message depending on what niche you have chosen, or you might be an entertainer. Now, let's say for example you have to make 4 videos this week. This is a mandatory thing and you've got no choice but you have to do it. You have 2 options. Option number 1, which I don't recommend, so stay tuned for option number 2. Option number 1 is create some sort of video right now. You edit it, you upload it, do all the SEO, and you promote it and you get people to go and watch it. Then you wait till the next day and you repeat the same process. This is okay, this is what I've done. I do not recommend this, and this is why. Genuinely, our life gets very, very busy and a lot of it is out of our control. Stuff happens, people want to see you, stuff pops up and you have to go somewhere. If you need to make 4 videos and it takes you 5 or 6 days to film, edit and upload 4 videos, then that strategy is not going to work because things will pop up within that week. Therefore, instead of making 4 videos, you might be able to film 1 or even maybe 2. But more than likely, you are only going to be able to film 1, and this is not your fault. This is why step 2 is what I would recommend to 99.99% of people, including myself, which is what I'm doing now. Step 2 in the process of making videos, batch record your content. What is batch recording, you may ask? Again, with the example, you have to film 4 videos this week and you have to upload each and every single one of them. Let's say you only have one day, let's say it's a Sunday, because today for me is Sunday. You only have Sunday to film 4 videos and get them ready for the week. Because you can edit, you can do the thumbnails, you can do the SEO during the week, but you've not got time to film it. This is where batching comes in handy. What you do is you simply get your iPhone or you get your camera and you sit it somewhere, and you sit somewhere like I am currently doing. Then what you are going to do is simply record a video. Then after you're done recording it, then after you finish that first video, take a 5 or 10 minute break because you need to get rehydrated, you need to get into focus what video you're going to do next. Then after about 5 or 10 minutes, come back and film another video. Whether it takes you 10, 20, 30 minutes, just do that. Then rinse and repeat this process until you've got all your videos done. This is batch recording. I recommend this even though it's a difficult thing to do, but after you've done it a few times, over time it will become easy because you have risen your standards of doing 1 video each day and now doing several videos in 1 day. Over time this will become your standard. This is how you will operate during the time that you have to film videos. At the start it will be difficult, but over time, whether it's weeks or months, eventually it will become the new normal. Then after you have done all your filmmaking, I recommend also batching the editing process, SEO process, uploading your videos process. Make 4 videos, the next day you might edit 4 videos. The day after that, you might upload all the videos, and on that same day, because uploading does not take long, nowadays internet is pretty good, so it should not take you long to upload your videos. And while that is happening, you can also do the SEO at the same time. So we went from a problem where you only have 1 day to film content and you're doing it in bits and pieces over a set amount of days. Your original goal was to put out 4 videos a week. However, the system that you were doing it in, you were only able to achieve 1 or 2 videos every week. Then what you started to do is implement what I taught you, which is batch your content. So now, instead of spending several days on 1 video, you are filming 4 videos 1 day. Next day you're editing all the videos. Then the day after that you are uploading and doing SEO. So what once took you 5 or 6 days to do 1 video, now to do 4 videos is taking you 3 or 4 days, and now you've reached the goal of uploading multiple long form videos per week on YouTube or any social media platform of your choosing. If this video has helped you, I'd greatly appreciate it if you like it for the YouTube algorithm. Comment below if you're going to start batching your content today. And I have an exclusive offer for only 10 people that sign up to this, which is my one-on-one coaching program where we teach beginner creators how to get into the flow state of being a creator, where they are currently and where they want to be, and how I can help you. Now, how this is set up is you will get a free 60-minute call with me to start off with. It's completely free, and the reason it's free is because I want to see if I can genuinely help you. If I feel like you're a good student that can fit into my program, then I will invite you to a 30-day one-on-one program where you get 24/7 WhatsApp support with me. Any questions or anything like that, I will answer, and you'll also get 4 weekly calls with me, which are an hour long, and this will help keep you accountable and help you stay on track to your content creator goals. So if you are also interested in that, hit me up on my other socials, which are linked in the description below, or you can comment the word coach and I will contact you. Besides that, we'll see you guys in the next video.